in the green economy, you have companies that have no revenue, you have companies that have revenue but no profits, and you have companies that have revenue and profits. Now, Queen of Green is in that third category. Because we already have 14 social development programs that are for citizens in 70 countries that will empower 200 million people in the bottom of the pyramid, we not only have revenue, but we're also profitable. So we're a good investment for companies that want to do their corporate social responsibility policy. We're a great investment for Forex funds, for hedge funds, for corporate foundations, for people who understand what the green economy should be, but know that it needs to be implemented on a scale and speed. So Queen of Green IPO, ticker symbol QOG, Stock Exchange Frankfurt. We're going green and we're turning green into gold.